This isn't a stunt or a tourist attraction. This is a sacred tradition in Weda, Benin, where pythons are revered as symbols of protection, wisdom, and spiritual power. For centuries, the local Weda people and followers of voodoo have believed that these snakes share a special connection with the spirit world. According to local legend, pythons once protected a king during a time of war, and ever since they have been honored rather than feared. During religious festivals, worshippers gently carry the snakes on their bodies as a sign of respect and devotion. To outsiders, it may look frightening, but here the python is not seen as a threat, it is seen as a sacred guardian. This tradition reminds us that different cultures can view the same animal in complete different ways.